Hello, thank you for watching this video about pre-enrollment for preschool, kinder prep, and kindergarten. Our principal is Tiffany Boxham and our secretary is Shelby Martin. Our preschool teachers are Shelby Evans and Joan Perry. Our kinder prep teachers are Ashley Good and Susie Scott. Our kindergarten teachers are Carla Curbo, Laura Bowes, Joyce Losey, and Melissa Sullivan. By law, your child must be 4 years old on or before August 31st to enroll in preschool. By law, your child must be 5 years old on or before August 31st to enroll in kinder prep or kindergarten. We require that all children enrolling must present a certified birth certificate, a current health assessment, and proof of immunization. Please make sure that you bring your child's original state birth certificate, a current health assessment, and their immunization card, and present them to a staff member at the school so that we can make the appropriate copies. This is for pre-enrollment. You will be required to complete final enrollment online later on in the summer. If you are not able to complete enrollment online, including payments, or need to turn in any paperwork, you must come to the enrollment day prior to the first day of school. You can download the USD 210 app on your smartphone or tablet, or go to our website at www.usd210.org for updated information on when that enrollment date will be. Kinder prep is a great opportunity for students who have either not been to preschool or for students who are not ready either academically, socially, or emotionally to attend kindergarten. It is a full-day program that meets all 5 days of the week. Please talk to Mrs. Scott or Mrs. Good if you have any questions about kinder prep. If you are unsure whether your child is ready for kindergarten, please visit with your child's current teacher about their readiness. We can also provide some different developmental assessments for your child. Please talk to a teacher at pre-enrollment night if you would like any of these assessments completed on your child. There are 4 sessions of preschool, 2 in the morning and 2 in the afternoon. The morning classes run from 8 o'clock to 11:15. The afternoon classes are from 12:15 to 3:30. Preschool meets Monday through Thursday. We do not have preschool on Fridays. There are 2 teachers for kinder prep, and those classes run from 8:10 to 3:30. Kinder prep classes meet Monday through Friday. There are 4 teachers for kindergarten, and those classes also run from 8:10 to 3:30, Monday through Friday. These are the required immunizations for your child to enter preschool, kinder prep, or kindergarten. The school nurse will be on site during our pre-enrollment night to look over your immunization record to let you know whether your child will require any more immunizations for school. You also need to have a health assessment completed on your child. This can be done by the health department or your physician. These are required for school entry within the first 60 days of school. You can call the Stevens County Health Department at 544-7177 to make an appointment for a health assessment and for immunizations. They are located at 505 Polk. Throughout the school year, we provide different screenings at the ECDC. We provide vision screenings, hearing screenings, and dental screenings. On pre-enrollment night, the health department will be present at the ECDC to complete the health assessment on your child. If you would like your child's health assessment completed at our pre-enrollment night, please bring $25 cash to get that completed. We will also be offering vision screenings through the Lions Club, which is a quick, easy screening to do on your child, and that will be free. And our speech pathologist will be present during our pre-enrollment night to provide a speech screening if you have any concerns about your child's speech. This is also free. Buses for preschool run only in the morning, so if you live in the country and your child will be riding the bus to school, your child will be placed in a morning session of preschool. Please put bus on your enrollment form. These are the 8 enrollment qualifiers for our preschool program. If your child qualifies under any of these 8 qualifiers, you will not be paying tuition for preschool. If your child does not meet any of these 8 qualifiers, you will be paying tuition for preschool next year. In your enrollment packet, you have several different forms to fill out. There's a district enrollment form, which is on white paper. There's the community preschool application on blue paper. The migrant and home language survey is on green paper. And there's a pink form that gives your child's teacher information about your child so that we will have some information before the school year starts. And that is on pink paper. This is the form that you will find in your folder on blue paper. This form needs to be filled out completely. Please list your child's name, child's sex and date of birth, and who the child lives with, whether both parents, just the mother, just the father, or somebody else. Then fill out the information in the middle on both the mother and the father of the child. We need your name, date of birth, your address, and phone numbers. Please mark the marital status of both parents and list any siblings that live in the child's home. Then for the general information, you need to answer each one of these questions. Please circle yes or no. Does your child qualify for free lunch? You probably will not know that. You can leave that blank, and you will fill out a form later on that will allow us to know whether your child qualifies for free lunch. If you're currently working with a DCF caseworker, please circle yes there. If the language in your home the primary language is not English, then your child will qualify for our preschool program. So it says, is the primary language spoken in the home a language other than English? So if it's a language other than English, you will circle yes. If English is your primary language, please circle no on that question. On the migrant question, we will have our migrant worker, and she will let you know whether your child qualifies for migrant status or not. If you believe your child is developmentally or academically delayed, please talk to our special ed teacher, Cher Bull, and she can confirm or at least set up an assessment or confirm whether she has that information on your child. If you are a single parent, circle yes. If you were a teen parent with this child, not with a previous child, but with this child, please circle yes. And then we need to know if the mother of this child has a high school diploma or GED, and if the father of the child has a high school diploma or GED. So please fill this form out completely. Enrollment night is come and go from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. There will be several stations to visit, so make sure that you visit each station. We will give you time to complete all of the forms and participate in any screenings that you choose to participate in, and we will get copies made of all of your documents during our pre-enrollment night. When your child is put in a class, their teacher will be coming to visit you sometime during the summer for a porch visit. Please make sure if you change addresses before school starts that you notify the school so your teacher will know where to find you. There will be a back-to-school night right before school starts to bring school supplies and to visit the classroom. You can find us on Facebook. There's a Hugoton USD 210 Facebook page and a Hugoton Community Preschool Facebook page and a Hugoton Kindergarten Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video. Please come and fill out all of your information at our April pre-enrollment night. Make sure you bring your child's birth certificate, health certificate, and immunization record. Thank you for watching.